Barbie came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, work your body. Let me see you one, two, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see you one, two, step. I love it when you one, two, step. Everybody one, two, step. We about to get it on.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is the day we are about to start our hair. This is my package. So I'm starting my business and I ordered 2 different textures of hair from 2 different vendors. So the first vendor I'm about to try. So let's open up this package. So I think I ordered 3 bundles of 18 inches 1B water wave. So this is one. It comes with 2 bundles. 2, 3. So, and then I really wanted to try the colored hair. So I ordered 1 packet of their 350 deep wave. So we'll probably add some highlights. And what else? And they gave me a free comb. So these are all 4 of the bundles of my first order. Okay, and this is what it looks like out of the packet. I'm gonna wash this hair first.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did why found and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl.
So this is what it looks like after I washed it. I used some silicone shampoo. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like before wash and after wash. Before wash, after wash. They're not completely dry, but dry enough and still looks good. So we have 6 bundles total. The curl pattern is still cute and it's a few hours later. This is where I got so far. Not too much, but I've been adding 5 or 6 pieces. This is 1 bundle, but we're about to use another bundle. And so far the hair seems soft, but I cannot say okay, it's good or it's not good. I need at least 2 weeks to wear the hair and see. So this is my second bundle. I'm adding 5 pieces, 5 or 6 pieces to each braid. Hey guys, it's a few days later, so let's continue. This is where we're at so far. It's going well today. I've used 3 bundles of the curly boho hair and 1 packet of braiding hair. I have 3 of these left. This is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. Okay, now when you, this is what it looks like. This is how you brush it out. You're gonna see how much that's left in the comb. So you see there's no long hair, it's only the short ones. So that's pretty good. And then it's still thick. So far so good, it's full. I still have this little piece and I have 1 more bundle. So it's like really full. I'll show you, hold on. It looks really good. So I'm liking it. Do you see the ponytail? I'm gonna curl the ends and some loose wave. It would not look right if I do tight curls. So the curls on the ends have to be as loose as the boho curls. I really like it. Hey guys, so it's been about 1 week since I finished braiding my hair. I just had a lot going on, so I have not curled the ends or activated the curls as yet. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So this is what the hair looks like with no products. So let's curl the ends and activate the curls and see how it looks by then. I have not trimmed the flyaways as well.
Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy I don't. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life.
I'm just gonna continue to get all of the curly hair away so I could dip the ends of the braids only. I'm not gonna dip the curly hair. I just would not take the chance.
My job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my
hair grease. I think this size will work perfectly because of the size of the curls. The curls are a water wave, so it's like a loose curl pattern. If it was deep wave, then I would use a smaller rod. This little set at Walmart. I think it's gonna be easier when it comes to dipping spiral curls. It's not really, it's a mixing bowl set, but it'll work, so that's fine. Yeah, so we're gonna use this one because it's like pretty small, so let's try.
I try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did not?
We're gonna use a little bit of this and a little bit of water. Really good. I like it. I think it's cute. Okay, so I'm just putting the curl smoothie in there and it looks way better. Oh my gosh, I love the curls. It's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water on there and see how it does. Okay guys, so these are the curls. And I would say I really like this hair. I think I want to get like a spray bottle tomorrow. But yeah, this is it. The curls look really good. So I guess this will be my vendor. Website coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. Catch you guys next time. Bye.